Imagine a world where your car is not just a machine that takes you from one place to another, but a living, intelligent partner on the road. A car that sees danger before you do, avoids traffic jams with ease, and even charges itself when electricity is cheapest and cleanest. This is not science fiction. This is the reality unfolding right now, thanks to the powerful combination of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, also known as AIoT. And nowhere is this transformation more exciting than in the world of smart cars. Today, we're diving into how AIoT integration is unlocking three massive benefits: safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Before we dive deep, let's set the stage. AIoT is essentially the fusion of artificial intelligence, machines that can think, learn, and make decisions, with the Internet of Things, a network of connected sensors and devices that collect real-time data. In smart cars, this integration is nothing short of revolutionary. Think of IoT as the car's senses: cameras, radars, lidars, GPS, and countless other sensors. And think of AI as the brain that processes all that sensory information, learns from it, and makes intelligent driving decisions. The result? Vehicles that don't just drive, they analyze, predict, and adapt. And this leads to the three benefits we'll explore today, keeping us safer, making transportation more efficient, and building a more sustainable future. The first and most obvious benefit of AIoT in smart cars is safety. After all, what's more important than saving lives on the road? Accident prevention. Traditional cars rely entirely on human judgment, but let's face it, humans get tired, distracted, and make mistakes. AIoT steps in with real-time accident prevention. Imagine IoT sensors detecting a pedestrian stepping onto the road while AI instantly calculates braking distance and applies emergency brakes, faster than any human ever could. That's split-second decision-making that saves lives. Driver assistance systems. Many modern vehicles already use AIoT for advanced driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control that adjusts speed automatically, lane-keeping systems that prevent drifting, and blind spot monitoring that warns you of hidden vehicles. All of these reduce human error, which is responsible for the majority of accidents today. Emergency response AIoT also improves what happens after an incident. If a crash occurs, the car can instantly communicate its location, condition, and severity to emergency services. Through vehicle-to-vehicle (V2V) and vehicle-to-infrastructure (V2I) communication, nearby cars and traffic systems can be alerted within seconds, helping ambulances arrive faster and preventing pileups on highways. In short, AIoT doesn't just make driving safer, it pushes us closer to a world of zero road fatalities. Now let's talk about efficiency, another game-changing advantage of AIoT in smart cars. Smart traffic management. How much time do we waste stuck in traffic every year? The answer is shocking. Drivers in big cities can lose hundreds of hours. AIoT helps solve this by allowing vehicles to talk to each other and to the road infrastructure. This means cars can reroute in real time, avoid congestion, and optimize traffic flow. Imagine driving through a city where traffic lights, highways, and cars are all in sync. That's efficiency at its finest. Fuel and energy optimization. For both gasoline and electric vehicles, AIoT makes driving far more energy efficient. By analyzing your driving patterns, traffic data, and even weather conditions, AI can optimize acceleration, braking, and speed. Electric cars can schedule charging when energy is cheapest and cleanest, while traditional vehicles use fuel more efficiently, reducing costs for drivers. Predictive maintenance. Another hidden gem of AIoT efficiency is predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for a breakdown, IoT sensors continuously monitor a car's engine, brakes, tires, and electronics. AI interprets this data and warns the driver about potential issues before they become costly or dangerous. This reduces downtime, saves money, and keeps cars on the road longer. In short, AIoT makes cars smarter, faster, and more reliable. Safety and efficiency are critical, but in today's world, sustainability might be the most important long-term benefit of AIoT in smart cars. Lower carbon emissions. By optimizing fuel consumption and driving patterns, AIoT helps reduce unnecessary emissions from traditional vehicles. For electric cars, AI ensures that every bit of energy is used wisely. Multiply this by millions of cars worldwide, and the environmental impact is massive. Green mobility solutions. AIoT also plays a key role in shared mobility. Ride-sharing, carpooling, and autonomous shuttles all become more efficient with AIoT integration. This means fewer vehicles on the road, less congestion, and cleaner air in our cities. Integration with renewable energy. Here's where it gets really exciting. Smart cars connected to smart grids. Imagine your electric car charging itself at night when wind or solar power is abundant, then even sending unused energy back to the grid during peak hours. AIoT makes this possible, creating a truly circular, green ecosystem. This is not just about cars, it's about building sustainable cities and a healthier planet. Of course, with every great technology comes great challenges. AIoT in smart cars is no exception. Data, privacy, and security. Smart cars generate massive amounts of personal data, locations, habits, even biometric info. Protecting this data from cyber attacks is absolutely critical. Infrastructure requirements. For V2V and V2I communication to work, cities need smart traffic systems, 5G networks, and advanced infrastructure. This requires massive investment. Accessibility and cost. While AIoT features are becoming more common, they are still more affordable for premium vehicles. Ensuring accessibility for all drivers is essential for widespread adoption. So, yes, the road ahead has its bumps, but the direction is clear. Looking forward, the integration of AIoT in cars will only deepen. It's the foundation for fully autonomous vehicles, where cars can drive themselves with little or no human intervention. As smart cars connect with smart cities, we'll see a world where transportation is seamlessly integrated with urban planning, energy systems, and even public health. Roads that are safer, mobility that is cleaner, and systems that are more efficient. That's the future AIoT is driving us toward. So, let's bring it all together. The integration of AI and IoT in smart cars is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. A revolution that makes driving safer through accident prevention and emergency response, more efficient through traffic management and predictive maintenance, and more sustainable by reducing emissions and connecting with renewable energy. The message is clear. AIoT is not only changing the way we drive, it's redefining the very future of mobility. The road ahead is intelligent, connected, and green. And the best part? That future is already here.